Mean, median, mode, and range. Let's look at the definitions for these. The mean is the sum of all data divided by the number of values. The mode is simply the most common value. The median is the middle value when the data is arranged in order. And the range is the largest value minus the smallest value. So let's do this for two different examples. Calculate the mean, median, mode, and range for this set of data. We have these numbers 3, 6, 3, 7, 4, 3, 9. All right, so first off, the mean. The mean. It is the sum of all data divided by the numbers of values. So we need to add all of these up. So 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 9. Okay, we're adding all the values and then dividing by the number of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we divide this sum by 7. All right, so let's add these all up. And what do we get? 9, 12, 19, 23, 26, 35. So we have 35 divided by 7, and that gives us 5. So the mean is 5. All right, the mode. This is the value we see the most of. So it's pretty clear from this small set of data, there's 3 3s. Everything else is only represented once. So the mode must be 3. All right, to find the median, we need to put these values in order. Okay, so we're going to write this list out again. We can drop the commas, but we'll write them in order. So 3 3s and then a 4, and then we have 6, 7, and 9. Now that they're in order, we need to find the middle value. So there's 7 values, so the middle value is going to be the 4th. It's right here. Okay. There's 4 in this way, 4 in this way. This is the value in the middle. So the median is indeed 4. Range, it's the largest value minus the smallest value. So the largest value is 9 and the smallest value is 3. So we write 9 minus 3, and that is 6. Okay, let's calculate the mean, median, mode, and range for the data in this table here. Okay, so it's a frequency table, so this is going to be different than our previous example. This is how many times you see. We take this frequency, and that is the amount that this score occurs. This frequency is the amount that this score occurs. Here, the score of 2 occurs 12 times. So really, someone's already taken a bunch of data and they've put it into this chart. So they've already summarized it. So we could go the other way and sort of spread it out. So the score of 0 we see 2 times. Score of 1 we see 6 times. Score of 2 we see 12 times. Score of 3 we see 4 times. And score of 4 we see once. So you can see why someone would want to take that and put it into a table, because it's kind of a little bit messy. However, we'll have to sort of spread it out to get median, or we will with the methods that we use to do this, but there are other ways to find out. So let's get mean, median, mode, and range. We need to add up all of these values, okay? So I'm not going to write it out. I'll just say the sum of the values, or I'll just put the amount here. But it gets divided by the number of values, right? So we can count those, or we can simply count the sum of this column for frequency. So there's 8, 25. All right, so there's 25 numbers listed here. Now we need to add them all up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 33, 36, 39, 42, 46. All right, so we have 46 divided by 25. And so if we want to find out what the mean is, we have to do this calculation. So use a calculator and you get 1.8 4. So there's the mean. The mode is the one that occurs the most, so it's the highest frequency value, and that will be 2. The median, okay, there's 25 values. That means the 13th value is going to be the median. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this one right here, and we can see pretty clearly that it's a 2. Since we knew that it was the 13th one, we could also actually got it from our chart. So this is the second value. When we get down to here, this is our 8th, because this one, there's already 2 zeros. And when we get down to here, if we were to go to this far, 8 plus 12 would be 20. So our 20th value would be right here. We were looking for the 13th value, so it would fall somewhere in there, which is a 2. But for this example, let's just list them out and then find the middle value. Range is largest minus smallest, so that's 4 minus 0, and for this example, that is 4.